Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on piano. First, immerse yourself in the game's wonderful soundtrack to understand its unique style. Then, select an easier piece, perhaps Fallen Down, to start your journey. You can find many free sheet music options or video tutorials online to guide your initial steps. Remember to focus on fundamental piano techniques like correct finger positioning and practicing simple scales, which are crucial building blocks for any aspiring pianist. This foundational work will set you up for success. To truly master Undertale's melodies, developing essential piano techniques is key. Dedicate time to practicing basic scales and arpeggios. This will significantly enhance your finger dexterity and speed. Always maintain proper hand posture and keep your wrists relaxed to prevent tension and ensure fluid movement. Incorporate sight reading into your routine by following the sheet music precisely. Furthermore, using a metronome is vital for developing a steady rhythm and consistent tempo, helping you play each piece accurately and musically. When learning specific Undertale songs, a strategic approach makes all the difference. Break down longer or more complex pieces into smaller, manageable sections, perhaps just 4 or 8 measures at a time. Practice the left hand and right hand separately until each is comfortable, then slowly combine them. Pay close attention to the dynamics, like how loud or soft to play, and articulation, such as staccato or legato, to add expression. Regularly listening to the original soundtrack will help you capture the authentic feel and nuances of each song. As you progress, don't be afraid to explore advanced playing techniques and truly make the music your own. Experiment with different interpretations and even try improvising small sections to add your personal touch. Recording yourself playing is an incredibly effective tool for self-assessment, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement. Consider joining online communities or forums where you can share your progress and receive constructive feedback from fellow musicians. Most importantly, enjoy the incredibly rewarding process of bringing Undertale's wonderful music to life through your piano playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.